Money. It's something we all use every day. We earn it, we spend it, and sometimes we even stress about it. But understanding how money works can make a huge difference in our lives. That's what financial literacy is all about. It's about taking charge of your money instead of letting it control you. Financial literacy means understanding basic financial concepts. This includes things like budgeting, saving, and investing. It's about making informed decisions about your money. These decisions will impact your future. Don't be intimidated by financial jargon. It's not as complicated as it seems. We'll break down these concepts into bite-sized pieces. This essay will give you the tools to start mastering your money. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. Budgeting. It's not the most exciting word, is it? Many people think a budget is restrictive. They think it will keep them from enjoying life. But the truth is, a budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Think of it this way. A budget helps you track your income and expenses. It shows you where your money is going. With this knowledge, you can make conscious choices. You can prioritize your spending and reach your financial goals faster. Creating a budget is simpler than you might think. Start by listing all your sources of income. Then, track your expenses for a month. Write down everything you spend, from rent and groceries to entertainment and coffee. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start allocating your money. Remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about making informed choices. It's about aligning your spending with your values. So take control of your money and start budgeting today. Life is full of surprises. Not all of them are good. Your car might break down. You could get laid off from your job. Unexpected medical bills can pop up. These events are stressful enough without the added worry of how you'll pay for them. That's where an emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund is a stash of money set aside for unexpected expenses. It's your financial safety net. Having this fund can mean the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major financial crisis. It provides peace of mind, knowing you can handle life's curveballs. How much should you save in your emergency fund? A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This may seem like a lot, but it's important to be prepared. Start small and gradually build up your fund over time. Remember, an emergency fund is not your vacation fund or your new shoe fund. It's there for real emergencies. Having this financial cushion will give you confidence and stability. Section 4. Investing for the future. Growing your money. In this section, we will explore the various strategies and methods you can use to make your money work harder for you, ensuring a more secure and prosperous future. Saving is essential, but it's only part of the picture. While saving helps you build a financial cushion, it doesn't necessarily grow your wealth significantly over time. If you want to grow your wealth, you need to invest. Investing allows you to take advantage of the power of the financial markets to increase your assets. Investing simply means putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting it sit idle in a savings account, allocate it to various investment vehicles that have the potential to generate returns. It's about making your money earn more money. By investing wisely, you can benefit from interest, dividends, and capital gains, which can significantly boost your financial standing. There are many different ways to invest, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Each type of investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. The key is to find investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Understanding your own financial situation and objectives is crucial in making informed investment decisions. If you're not comfortable taking on a lot of risk, you might choose more conservative investments. These can include bonds, savings accounts, and other low-risk options that provide steady, albeit smaller returns. If you're younger and have a longer time horizon, you might be more willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher returns. Younger investors can afford to ride out market fluctuations and benefit from long-term growth. One of the most important things to remember about investing is the power of time. Time allows your investments to grow and compound, leading to exponential growth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Starting early gives you a significant advantage, as your investments have more time to benefit from compound interest. Even small contributions can add up to a significant amount over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Compound interest means you earn interest on your initial investment as well as on the interest that accumulates over time. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right knowledge and resources, anyone can become a successful investor. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started. From books and online courses to seminars and workshops, you can find a wealth of information to guide you. You can consult with a financial advisor or do your research online. Financial advisors can provide personalized advice based on your specific situation, while online resources offer a more flexible and self-directed approach. The important thing is to start investing as soon as possible and watch your money grow. By taking the first step in committing to your financial future, you set yourself on a path to greater financial security and prosperity. Section 5. Understanding credit and interest. The borrowing game. Credit and interest are two sides of the same coin. They are intertwined in such a way that understanding one without the other is nearly impossible. They are essential concepts to understand in our financial system. Without a grasp of these, navigating the world of personal finance can be daunting and confusing. Credit allows you to borrow money to make purchases now and pay for them later. This can be incredibly useful for managing cash flow and making large purchases that you might not be able to afford upfront. Interest is the cost of borrowing that money. It's essentially the fee you pay to the lender for the convenience of using their money. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your credit worthiness. This score is calculated based on your credit history, including how much debt you have, how reliably you pay it back, and other factors. It's a 3-digit number that tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. The higher the number, the more trustworthy you appear to lenders. A higher credit score means you're considered the lower risk, which can qualify you for lower interest rates on loans. This can save you a significant amount of money over time. A lower credit score means you're considered a higher risk and may have to pay higher interest rates. This can make borrowing more expensive and can limit your financial options. Interest rates are expressed as a percentage of the amount borrowed. They can vary widely depending on your credit score, the type of loan, and the lender's policies. They represent the cost of borrowing money over a specific period. The longer the period, the more interest you will pay. For example, if you borrow $1,000 at an interest rate of 5%, you'll have to pay back $1,050 over the life of the loan. This might seem small, but it adds up over time, especially with larger loans. Understanding credit and interest is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Without this knowledge, you might find yourself paying more than necessary or struggling to get approved for loans. By managing your credit responsibly and understanding how interest rates work, you can save money on loans and credit cards. This means more money in your pocket for other important things in life, like saving for retirement, buying a home, or going on that dream vacation. Regularly reviewing your credit report and staying on top of your financial health can help you maintain a good credit score. This proactive approach can lead to better financial opportunities and a more secure future. Remember, improving your credit score takes time and consistent effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Lower interest rates, better loan terms, and greater financial freedom are just a few of the benefits. So, take control of your financial future by understanding and managing your credit and interest wisely. Your future self will thank you. Section 6. The magic of compound interest. Earning interest on interest. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger and bigger. In financial terms, compound interest is the interest you earn on your principal plus any accumulated interest. Here's how it works. You invest $1,000 at a 5% annual interest rate. After the first year, you earn $50 in interest. But here's the magic. In the second year, you earn interest on your original $1,000 plus the $50 in interest you earned. This means your money grows faster than it would with simple interest. The longer your money compounds, the more powerful it becomes. This is why it's essential to start investing early. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Compound interest is a powerful tool for building wealth. Remember the snowball analogy? The earlier you start rolling your snowball, the bigger it will be by the time it reaches the bottom of the hill. The same principle applies to compound interest. Time is a crucial factor in the growth of compound interest. The more time you give your investments, the more they can grow. Imagine investing for 10, 20, or even 30 years. The growth can be astonishing, turning modest investments into substantial sums. This is why compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. It has the power to transform your financial future. Setting up automatic investments can help you take advantage of compound interest without having to think about it constantly. Regular contributions, no matter how small, can add up over time and significantly boost your investment growth. Patience is key. The true power of compound interest reveals itself over the long term, rewarding those who stay invested. By understanding and leveraging compound interest, you can achieve your financial goals and build lasting wealth. So, start your financial snowball today and watch it grow into something truly remarkable over time.